Today at 2 o'clock in the morning, we received a call that one car has plunged into the river, that is Kumbarjoa Canal at Zuem, which is then the other side leading to Gaundalim in Old Goa. Then my Kundam fire station staff immediately they made the turnout. They reached there. My Old Goa people with their water tender they reached over here, and one car had plunged into the river. Then we saw that one lady was there in the car, and she was accompanied by one male person also. Then the lady rescued herself, and she said that the companion was there with her. He also came with her, but she was in a confused state of mind whether he's there or whether he was in the car. But finally now we took the help of Navy divers, and we have retrieved the car. We tracked the car, we retrieved it now, and with the crane. But no any body or nobody was found in the car.
So you searched one body is missing, a lady is there.
No, I can't comment because I don't know whether we were not the eyewitness. So I don't know whether he is missing or whether he is not there.
So exactly where is the location his file?
This is a Kumbarjoa Canal.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Kumbarjoa Canal. One side is Santistev, the other side is Gaundali.